Under the rapid development of communication technology, people buy a new phone about every 18 months on average, and about 400 million units of e-waste are produced every year. Recycling of phones has become a common challenge faced by every and each individual and related enterprise. Ledao technology provides global recycling enterprises with fast and innovative one-stop solutions from phone repair to recycle. Ledao technology, founded in 2003, has gathered experienced professionals from all over the world and has built a professional mobile phone LCD screen repair team and a strict QC team. Besides, it helped build a dust-free workshop covering an area of 9,700 square meters in a comprehensive bounded zone. With over 10 years experience and skill accumulation of high-level repair service, we are now on the way to being a global leader in maintaining mobile devices and screens. Ledao technology offers a preliminary test report and tailor-made repair solution after comprehensive IPQC on every item of the customer. After repair, 3 strict QC procedures, FQC, OQC, and 100% inspection follow up. And then, the final results, together with the detailed report, are sent to the customer. With the systematic and improved QC process and service, they ensure high-quality repair experience to customers. Ledao technology has passed ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, and ISO 9001 certifications, and has got legal rights to import and export domestic and overseas goods. We have developed a number of core technologies that have expanded our annual repair capacity to 120,000 units. Over the years, we have been accelerating our global coverage and now have a business network covering Europe, the Middle East, Asia, etc. We are looking forward to holding hands with customers to create a win-win situation with absolutely leading market share and constant innovation. Excelling quality, professional service, Ledao technology.